So if you follow the path all the way down there, it'll take you up to Tandle Hill. This is Mill Lane. Obviously you can't get in there, there's a bench over there. This is like a little hidden part of Royton, links up to my previous video I did on Thorpe Park the other day. It's all been battered by rain recently because it's just covered in mud. Some little stairs, a little path. Let's go back up to the top. Got what used to be a tip earlier on. Some little dogs coming at me now. Hello, pal. No need, got another little stream going through. You've got a bridge. They're nice, friendly dog there. Hello. Oh, it's fine, don't worry.